The male peacock's magnificent iridescent tail feathers, which can make up more than 60% of its total body. Length are not primarily used for flight, but almost exclusively for attracting mates. When a male peacock displays to a female, a paean, he raises these elaborate feathers into a fan, shaking them rapidly to create a shimmering eye spots effect and a rustling sound. This dazzling display is a key part of his courtship ritual, signaling his health, strength, and genetic quality to potential partners. Despite their length and beauty, these tail feathers are actually very light and can be shed and regrown each year after the breeding season.